Hello and welcome back to episode 2 of reacting to the camping vlogs.
Hi.
This is so if you haven't seen the last one, link won't be in the description because I'm too lazy to probably put that in there. Go on my channel. It'll probably be linked somewhere on the end of this video. But go to my channel and look for that. Yeah. I'm joined by Luke again. You know, because it's been so long since we recorded the last episode.
Yeah.
Anyway, we're just
My hair's gotten longer since then.
Yes, it's gotten so much longer since we recorded the first reaction video. All right, we're just gonna hop right into it.
Already. Wait, just on this pause screen, it looks like my head's like a mushroom. I've got like a mushroom cap head. It looks really strange. And my hair like trumped over like that.
Ready?
I'm ready.
Hello everyone, and yeah. Before this video starts, I just want to say
some rambling.
the previous video, sorry, very sorry. It should have been out like 2 months ago. I intended to release it no more than 2 weeks before the first one came out, which if you haven't seen the first one yet, then you should go and see it now. This is not a flat brim hat, this is a baseball cap.
You were saying that you meant to release this 2 weeks, like, the
if
other one was
you
supposed to be
haven't
2 weeks
seen
before
the
this
first
one.
video, then you should see it now, or something.
I think it was like 2 months,
It looks
wasn't
really
it?
weird from this angle.
It was like 3 months, I think,
My
because it
hair's
took you
weird.
forever,
Looks like I
because you
have
were having
a
your
weird
laptop
dome of
troubles.
hair.
Because the third episode of
Anyways,
this got corrupted on his old laptop.
Yeah, but I was having problems with my editing software, and for some reason, it's only with this video,
So I
not
just
with
have
the one
my
after
sideburns
it.
like that right now,
And I just kind of gave up. So I'm gonna release this video still. But all the videos, all the parts of the video that are
like
shot from
sticking
the other
out
view of
really
the camera, for
awkwardly.
some reason, they're only in small
That's a
screen,
great
not in
look.
widescreen. So sorry about
Swoop
that.
my hair, like,
and
comb
it
it
will be
down
fixed by
underneath
next
my
video,
hat.
and it looks kind of dodgy, the video quality and stuff, because it's
kinda
smaller
dodgy.
and stuff like that.
It's kind of dodgy to me.
I didn't intend for that to happen,
This
and
to sit through.
my editing software is being
I
really
know,
weird with
it's
this.
so
It's not
bad.
uploading
Thanks,
or
past
exporting
me.
properly and stuff like that.
Still got
So
a crack.
this
I had a crack in my ceiling back
should
then. Still
be
do.
good.
You still have the ShamWow tape to your ceiling?
I still have a
video. My
ShamWow
hair
tape
is
to my ceiling, even though it doesn't
terrible.
need to be anymore because
It's
it's got a
sticking
roof
straight
fix.
out
I just haven't taken it
through
down yet.
There's the MC Escher corner.
Is that the thing that was leaking? That spot?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well,
So,
that spot, no. It was at the end of my
I
bed.
just wanted to add this so that I'm still looking over there. I just wanted to add this so that you knew why it came out so far afterward. And after this video,
Like
it
anyone
should
actually
come out,
cares.
Like, I don't know, like a couple weeks, 2 weeks at most after this film comes out. So,
Me, stop.
We're still
Enjoy.
waiting 3 years later.
Good morning, world.
I thought we
YouTube, few YouTubers.
It was so hot in there.
Few.
It was.
It gets so hot in that tent. Especially where
It's
that
like
gets placed because the
8:20.
sun rises right on that back wall of that tent. You can see on the
I
right
woke
side
up
of the
beforehand,
video.
like
It's
always.
super bright because the sun rose there, and I was sleeping on that side. The bed slid over because we were moving too much, and
I'm a
I
rested
like
person.
kept burning my arm in the morning when I was trying to wake up. It was awful.
I remember that.
Because I sleep in my.
We're gonna have bacon for breakfast.
Just bacon.
I win.
Pounds and pounds of bacon.
A whole pig's worth of bacon. It's like imagine the entire pig was bacon. How much bacon we're eating per person? Covered in chocolate and
It's gonna be huge. It's gonna be this
Just
big.
imagining just a
It's gonna be
whole pig
huge.
just covered in chocolate.
that'll be good.
Hardened chocolate, and it's just standing there still alive. And it's like, can't move.
Yeah, that's something I'd still say.
Just like quarter foot thick of
Quarter foot and can't say 3 inches.
can't move.
Quarter foot, my dude.
Probably have to be dark chocolate though.
What?
Sorry.
Just changes.
First night was what, a success until like
The first night was a success, you say.
I didn't even notice. You were just near the wall.
yeah, I got.
It was a
I'm
success. It was a success until you started going with the air.
We lost the seal for
sound
that.
he's referring
Yeah.
to.
We're at KOA trying
You can't even hear it.
I'm ready to inflate it.
remote.
I'm like, Dad, where's the
Hot
seal?
over here.
He goes,
Jeez,
what?
dude,
Like, it's
sliding
gone.
hard.
So I went and bought duct tape from the camp store, and I
That's
duct
sound.
taped it
Yeah,
so it
listen
would
to if you guys
blow
hear
up.
that.
Yeah, and it's right next to my head, and he just kept pressing it over and over and over again in the
It's
middle
like
of the
I'm
night.
doing it at a regular basis every
Yes.
hour on the hour.
You were.
No, I was not.
You're doing it like every minute on the minute.
I did it until you just about smacked me.
You know, I think our tech is actually double this size. I thought
Yeah,
it was
you're-
Normally that's
yeah,
a
you're
good way,
bigger
a good way to get
size.
someone to stop
It's
them,
not double,
threaten to
but
smack
maybe
them.
half as big or something.
Half as
It's just it's bigger this way, I think. A little bit bigger.
If this one is half as big as ours, then ours is double this size.
Go home. Just go home, kid.
I remember saying that.
My
all the time.
infallible logic.
Do you remember when I used to say go home,
fishing,
kid?
maybe.
No, I say
don't.
go
Yes,
home
or
all the time,
hopefully we'll
but
go fishing.
I used to say
Might
go home,
shoot
kid.
some crap. Probably shoot some
Nonsense.
crap.
Hopefully. We will hopefully take a walk in the woods. Show you guys.
Ooh, magic.
Not get killed by Slender.
Yeah. Well,
Slender.
daytime.
When that was a
It's mostly
thing.
gonna be really
Still is.
foggy.
It's actually pretty dark in there
Little bit.
sometimes. I was woken up by chipmunks in the morning.
Yeah, they're pretty loud. They're like,
Go.
that's a demon goat.
That's
It's,
I have
they might
chicken
be
cake.
getting- well,
Chicken
they-
cake.
Well, there's like
What were we
pheasant
talking
pie or
about?
whatever.
I don't remember,
Yeah, it was-
but I remember it was
that's
something
a
that I
bird.
had to cut out, and
I
then
know.
you said chicken
For
cake.
some reason, I was thinking ferret.
Ferret pie.
Oh
A lot
my.
of people eat ferret pie.
People have
Maybe
ferrets.
Gordy from Ned's
Oh, no.
Declassified would want to eat ferret pie.
Ferret pie.
If anyone gets that, please.
My
comment
one
down
hair
below,
sticking out. There we go.
because not many will get that. So anyway, anyways,
high. Why is it so high?
There's you
do
burning your
some
arm.
cool
Activities.
Yeah.
So
stuff
much room for
today,
activities.
And,
Been extremely hot.
and I'll take pictures of my breakfast.
Oh
I'll post them
no.
on Instagram.
I still haven't posted any picture of my breakfast on Instagram. I'm proud to
One of
say.
those-
I remember
I'll take many
Probably-
pictures and videos of my breakfast.
No, you'll record the breakfast.
Yeah, just eating there awkwardly.
a year and a half ago, I was thinking about this, and I text Luke,
Thanks for watching.
and I'm like, dude, I
this
just realized
morning.
something. I posted a picture of my breakfast on Instagram.
Luke died.
Sacrilege.
I have to go bury his body in the woods.
No, please no.
Chop
Should've
Bury
ended
my
it
butt.
there.
Chop. I was gonna chop you up.
Chop it all, Dalek.
Chop it all up. I got a shovel, dude. I am burying
Chop
you
it
in the
all
woods.
Dalek.
Dead or
Chop
I
it,
alive.
man.
said
Mash
that
it, bury
earlier
it
when we were
in
grabbing
stew.
food for dinner. Grabbing food for dinner.
All three breakfast then.
To breakfast.
I forgot to record breakfast.
Yeah.
Like, but I should have
Where's
just.
that from?
I'm
It's kinda
cringing
like
at my own
original Batman
editing.
or something like real
Like
old
one of the
Batman.
Yogcast did something.
Yogcast.
Bye.
Breakfast.
Bog now, out in the forest.
Forest is different than woods. Is that what you just said?
We're-
I don't know.
It sounded
look,
like it.
deer,
Why do I sound so surprised?
deer poop,
Deer poop.
which means a deer.
It's never cold enough to
Oh,
wear
is it
your
rabbit poop?
jeans up there anymore. It
poop of
wasn't
some
then.
kind. Here,
either.
taste
was
it.
Like a bazillion degrees, but
We
that's how
we
you
saw
kind of
some
want to wear
frogs in the thing
jeans
over
when
there.
you're going through the
We
woods.
might spear some,
right? And boots,
or
but
we
those
saw a
boots
frog.
fill up with sweat
Yeah.
if you wear them. If
We might
it's,
spear
like,
some
anything
frogs
above,
eventually,
like
if there's any big
4
ones.
degrees.
That'd be nice.
Bent down. Probably should head back. My parents are back, but
Okay.
Yeah, we'll record tomorrow or not, but yeah, it's pretty cool over here.
Yeah.
Well, Luke will have his boots.
You still have that shirt, right?
Yeah, I'll have mine.
Oh yeah, I don't wear it anymore.
boots. The
Actually, no, I
bog's
did
real
wear it. I
squishy
wore it at
here.
the party on Labor Day.
I just ran
Because
into
I'm
a
like,
tree
this is
branch.
my party shirt.
You get to trek with us in the wild. We're out here in the wild. I found some deer. I found some deer scat. I'm going to try and consume it.
It's not a deer. I'm gonna look at my.
It is a deer.
Okay,
It
fine, whatever.
was
It's
a deer.
poop.
3 years later, confirmed it was a deer.
Edible mushrooms.
Mostly
well,
edible.
possibly edible. I just meant some
They're,
mushrooms.
What?
More mushrooms.
Oh,
mushrooms
cringe!
are
Cringe!
like kind of
Why?
poison
I know it's coming.
Or mainly edible.
One that.
Don't quote me on that.
What?
So
That
always check.
whole thing of like, oh, they are
These ones
kind
are
of
really
edible because
weird.
technically the majority
Woo!
of the ones that grow
Spider
are
web.
edible.
Yes.
That was cringy.
We do not endorse eating
Endorse?
mushrooms without knowledge.
Yeah.
Is that
Yeah.
the?
Yeah, cool.
And I don't know what I'm doing, and that's why I don't eat mushrooms, even normally. So.
That's
Yeah.
not why I don't
You
like
don't even
mushrooms.
need no mushrooms
I don't know
on
what
pizza
I'm
or anything.
doing. That's why I don't eat mushrooms even normally.
I don't
All
know
right,
where
well, this
I
is our
am.
tent, our
My
beautiful
Shea
tent.
Razzie at
Tim's
Michael.
tent. I'm staying in it.
He's my guest.
I'm a freeloader. So this is our beautiful 8-person tent, which I wouldn't fit 8 people
If
in
you
there.
spooned, maybe.
Well, dude, when it says
A long
8-person
spoon
tent or
chain.
It means that's the maximum amount of people that can fit in there
no
without.
sitting room or
Like
anything.
sardine
Yeah.
them.
That's
Just like
so.
lay them
Fit
on
8
top
people.
of each other.
I'm doing.
We did a good job getting the.
Apologize if
Well,
the
you
camera's a
guys
bit
did.
shaky,
My
and you may
thumb
not
is
be
in
able to
there.
see because it's so bright. But this is our tent, and it's quite beautiful.
How long would you say it took to set up?
It took like
20 minutes?
something like that.
Is that on the package? It says 15. It wasn't that hard.
All right,
I
now
don't think I've ever set it up faster than that.
Go
at that
inside.
point. It's so windy when I set it
Alright,
up. and
so-
it's,
Welcome
like terrible.
to In Our Tent.
Touche Razdiop.
Welcome to In Our Tent.
Okay, so we
no
have
numbers, just Razdiop.
here we have here,
No,
sit
it's
here.
Razzie at
Here we have
912.
our fan,
Is it
It's the
Radiop?
address.
Tripod.
It should
912.
be Radiop.
Tim's
But it's
bags
radio.
of weapons and such. There's my big tote of clothes. There's my my backpack and Tim's
And,
shoes.
yeah, your Rubbermaid
Um,
clothes.
Over here,
Yeah.
we have
You
Tim
brought 2 this time
for sale for $19.95.
1995. I'm worth $2 grand. Come on, man.
We have this
stain
air
on the bed.
mattress here,
Yeah.
good.
It's disgusting.
Yeah.
Disgusting.
all the way to the wall, but
slid, and
slide it. I like
stuff
sliding.
like that. So
Slided.
this is our tent, and
Filthy
there's that
scrubs.
thing there, and it occasionally has mosquitoes and
I'd still say that.
and such.
Musquato.
So yeah, and us
Squattos.
as a bad infestation of Tim and I.
There's
Yeah,
a bug down
nice
here
in here.
still.
So
What the heck?
now we're going to do the
in there?
inventory
Squatto.
It's a
video.
mosquito.
Here's the stuff that I brought. I brought some mixed nuts, my hat, sunscreen.
I lost a lot of the stuff. No, I didn't lose it, you know, but I got rid of some of the stuff that I brought.
3 knives.
But I still have like twice as
Or
much
4
stuff in my
knives, rather.
bag now than.
And
that's
that's
right
it.
there. Or, you know, in mine.
That's what I've got, and I brought my
I forgot-
clothes that are over there.
He has a random bullet. But
And here is what Tim brought.
and that's just
Tim.
all back there.
Has brought many
Over, I think 20. I haven't counted as if I got my new
over
knives,
20
so.
of these kind of knives, and he also has several multi-tools and stuff. He's got flashlights. He has these knives too, these big
Survival knife?
hunting knives.
It's not, it's just survival. And then I got a tactical knife, so.
Yeah, he's got his binoculars. He's got paracord,
300 feet of it.
300 feet of paracord.
24
This is
bucks. It was a
ridiculous.
good
He
deal.
has this.
I actually
Trowel
carry
planter
about
thing.
30 feet of paracord in my bag at all times.
He's got walkie-talkies.
That's cool.
Because you need to
Shovel
like
pit.
scale a
He has
building.
his
Put the compass in the bottom.
gun, which is a BB gun. Don't worry.
It's a pellet gun.
That's a pellet gun. I thought that was a BB
It's a
gun.
pellet gun.
Both
Get your,
was really a pellet
get your
gun.
facts.
Really, I didn't know that.
Okay.
I thought it was BB gun strictly.
More, I like using pellets in here. It's more accurate. But yeah, it's a good gun. $100. I think I spent on it. A little bit, maybe a little bit more.
It's got a small
pellet
size.
gun, my dude.
And then
Really
he has
good.
this
I don't use it
big
anymore, but-
axe.
I'll show you. I'm showing all everyone the cool stuff. So
Yeah.
it has a saw on the bottom. I'm not getting that out. But
Ow!
Yeah.
Did you cut yourself?
I poke myself with my axe.
Oh.
Not the first time I've done that.
All right, now he has this standing back for this.
Oh, look dangerous. But it
It's
made
a
a perfect
freaking
sound.
machete.
I did that on purpose, I'm pretty sure.
Bear machete, I believe. 25.
Gerber. Gerber.
Gerber gear.
It's funny that it's both a baby food company and a knife
The
company.
website's Gerber
And-
Gear though.
Yeah,
So.
I first put in Gerber.com
I
and
put
then
Gerber, though,
the
when I was
baby
trying to
food
find the
company came
website.
up.
Then the baby food company came up. I'm like, wait.
Oh, I just told that story.
Yeah,
I
Timmy.
cut this, I think.
I've seen this
He also
video
has
like
many
8
many
times.
books on survival and crap like that.
I don't have those in my bag. They're in my other bag.
They're in the other
They're not in my
That's
bag.
my-
They're in my
that's-
other
that-
bag.
that's
He also has a
stuff.
slingshot here and stuff. So yeah, he's got tons and tons of crap, which
crap.
good crap, but still crap.
Fire starter.
And
This
probably,
is crap.
Fire starter.
probably, if we were in an emergency, he wouldn't even let me borrow one of these little knives.
I would.
Just one.
I'd let you use
That knife.
my smallest knife.
You let me use this butterfly knife that's not real.
I'd let you use this knife, my smallest knife.
That knife. Yeah.
Here,
Not the.
here, give him a paper cut, Luke. Give him a
evil.
paper cut. Teach him who's boss. I'm grabbing
doing
my
like the
that knife and
TTT,
grabbing my
like-
survival knife. I'm grabbing a flashlight to bang him across the head. I'm using my machete. Wait, don't poke holes in my floor.
Sorry. Anyways, yeah. So this is our stuff. This is what we
Tim's
brought.
stuff.
Mainly what Tim brought.
Yeah.
My stuff is
I brought most.
You
of
bought
meager.
you brought
Jesus,
clothes
yeah.
to even us out, bud.
I still brought a decent sized knife.
That's a cool knife. That's a flayer though, isn't it?
Yeah, that's a.
Ugh.
It's a knife to cut up fish with.
This
Right.
is deflating a bit. There's a fly in here, Luke. You let the flies in.
But yeah, still. Oops. So yes, this is what we've got. Yeah. Bug.
Look, look.
This is my dog. Her name is Patty. Best dog ever.
Best dog ever.
That. She's
When
my
she,
favorite.
except for when she pukes on my bed.
We're back. We're on the trail now.
Back and forth last week.
The way you're- the other way.
Already
I remember
Oh, it's creepy up there, so we're going this
the
way.
dog had a bed
No.
and it had bones on it, but the bones weren't shaped
Yeah,
like
that.
bones. They were shaped like another
Go,
anatomical
go, go, go,
part, which is sometimes referred to as a bone. Anyways, those are some beautiful woods. But no, the woods are a forest, Jimmy. Which one are they? These aren't woods. It's a forest. It's different.
We're not in the forest actually. That's a trees. Okay, we're in trees.
That's a trees.
We're in the trees.
We're in a trees, guys.
So where are we going now?
I think you gave me the machete at one point. I'm like, yeah. I just like sliced through like one thing, and you're like, all right, give me it back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My finger over the camera is great. Nice shot of your butt.
In between recording, I kicked down another tree.
This is where I start clearing my throat, like.
Yeah, 'cause it's all squishy in the ground. Oh my gosh. It gets real tall over there. Get your machete out. Your machete.
I kept saying to you, like, hey Timmy, get your machete out so we can chop stuff. You're like, no, it's too hard. I'm like, what do you mean? You're like, "I
It's
don't
not
wanna
high
put it
enough
back
to
in."
do that.
Oh
You
yeah,
need
that's
a
right. I was
sickle
gonna
for
sharpen
that.
one of those.
And I still, to this day, haven't sharpened a stick.
There's a duck
On the pirate.
on the pirate,
Apparently,
in the middle of the
pirate's
pond.
too cool to have a parrot.
The mini golf place. Alright, we are here at the ice cream store. Or the ice cream.
Thumb over the mic.
Thumb over the mic.
I saw that by
Yeah. There's
I
people
haven't
around.
showered in
There's
3
Tim.
days. I get the first shower.
Tim's
Give
sister.
it.
There's people.
That happened on the third
Yeah,
episode,
so we're
which we
here.
lost.
I got some ice cream.
The
I
lost episode.
ate
One
decent
day
bit
we're
of
gonna
ice cream
find
cones
that.
through the
We're
rest
gonna
of
lose
it,
our
'cause couldn't eat the rest
minds.
of it 'cause
We're
it
gonna
was
be like
big cone.
married.
Tim is
And
still on
we'll
his
each
ice
have
cream
there.
kids. No, I'm gonna be married to
Mowing
Gary.
it down like
Oh
a
yeah, of course.
with
I'll eat
his
Marissa. Or Jacob. You can
his
have your
Paul
pick.
McCartney sunglasses on. If I'm thinking of the right person. Don't
Tim
kick me, please.
sneezed.
So yeah,
Or no,
we're
wait, you
here.
rubbed your nose, didn't you?
We went to the pawn shop. But before that, we
He's mad at me.
where did we go before that?
Putt-putt.
We went to Putt Putt,
With the duck on the pirate's
and then yes,
shoulder.
yes, and then
cream
I
all
just had
over
that
my
one
face.
little frame from Putt
Well, they'll
Putt.
have that plane once we say that. Or...
Yeah. And then we went to the store and we got some watermelons and some pumpkins. Those will be fun for recording for shooting later. So count on
Wait,
seeing
wait, the
some
shooting was
footage of
episode
us
3
shooting
too, wasn't
pumpkins.
it?
Everything.
Also, we're
good
gonna do
was
that
in
thing where you put the
episode 3.
watermelon or the rubber bands around the watermelon.
Can't believe we
Hopefully,
lost all of the
Tim's gonna
shooting
do it with me
footage.
a little bit.
We
Yeah, you
did
are.
The watermelons
You're
in
gonna,
episode 2, but
you're gonna put some on at least
I'll put
until.
the ceremonial first one.
Come on, it'll be fun. Anyways, we're gonna do that, so
I
it'll
don't
be
want to be
fun.
covered in watermelon. I don't have any extra.
Yeah, the watermelon thing
we're
didn't
here
work.
back in Raz.
Which is
Yeah.
also in
My
episode
camera
3.
died. Really, that was the main reason that we stopped doing it.
We're out of rubber bands too.
No, we didn't run out of rubber bands.
We're
We were running out of good
9,
rubber
12,
bands,
10,
but we didn't run out. We were close to it.
Pending.
Peyton. Who calls it Peyton?
Manning. Like people who want to pronounce it correctly.
Don't want to
patented.
Pronounce
I
pronounce every word with precision.
with precision.
Precision
Pronounce.
from my
With
bestest-
precision.
with my best.
I still say pronounce.
Skill.
in the whole
Skills.
wide world.
Anyways,
what the heck?
So
This is
gonna
bad.
be
This is
possibly
real
the last
bad.
vlog
No.
of the night.
Of the night. Okay. We just got a text.
Yes, I just
Oh,
got.
you got a text. we just got a text
We
together.
got a collective text.
collective text. Yes.
From your
So,
mother.
It was from his mother.
Wow.
I'm surprised I've been taking a shower already.
So anyways, so what we've done
We'll go
today.
swimming tomorrow. Swimming in the creek.
What was that?
So what we've
Swimming.
done-
Because it wasn't swimming, it was us
So
walking
first,
around a creek that we
Hey,
didn't record,
hey, Tim,
sadly.
you want to leave and go swimming?
to mini golf, right?
Yeah. After we ate breakfast, we walked around.
We ate.
a lot.
we ate
I'm in
breakfast, we walked
business
around in the woods.
management.
Yeah.
Kinda,
This is management.
We went to the bog after
Yeah.
we looked at the ditch.
Yeah, I went to the bog. We all have that recorded and stuff.
Totally
Then we
don't
went
kill
to mini golf,
people.
which we only have
Mini golf! We have-
one little tiny snippet of recording, which is of
We recorded afterwards though, didn't we?
We recorded at the ice cream place.
Oh, okay.
Then we went to the
I have
pawn
some ideas
shop,
for
then we
recording
went to the ice cream
style
place.
stuff now.
Pawn
So,
shop was
Yeah.
cool.
if we do that another
Get a
time.
GoPro and like put it
Yeah.
on the ball.
I, have a-
Like,
well,
we
I was
could've
actually
gotten
I have a selfie stick that we could
would've-
use.
Mhm.
Would kind of work. Not to
We could use
it
it as a
put-
putter, that'd be
No.
great.
Anyways, so,
That'd be hilarious.
so yeah, when we went to the ice cream place,
You see a crack in the lens just get bigger.
and
Went
we
back to here.
Well, a GoPro would be fine to like attach to a
Oh yeah,
putter.
we did the rubber
That'd be
bands.
pretty cool.
around the
Let's take a
water.
selfie stick. You hold it down the same height and stuff. It would
Yeah,
work.
well,
So.
Kind of
No, they won't.
You know, you'll help someone. You'll help
We'll show you
someone else.
tomorrow
manage
what
it.
happened.
You have to hit the
Well,
ball
no,
with
no,
the
no, for
lens.
shooting.
No, we're gonna do videos for shooting.
Be like,
Yeah.
You'll,
That was such a
you'll
great
see what happened to
noise.
the watermelon.
you gotta isolate that
Yeah,
audio
see
bite.
What name of the
Did you throw
watermelon?
away those rubber bands, by the way, or no? Are they still out there?
I think they might still.
Well, we can show them. And then
We'll show the water bands tomorrow.
Water
Um,
balloon.
Oh yeah, you chopped it with
And we
your
shot
axe.
some stuff.
No,
We
you
shot
did.
Some water bottles and stuff.
I gave you
Not
the
any
axe.
footage I
You
wanted
did
to
it.
record.
He
We are
tapped
going
the
to-
because
tomorrow
we put the
we're gonna be
watermelon on the
shooting
side. You'll see
fruit
the
and
watermelon
stuff.
in another
So-
episode.
Like a pumpkin.
Yeah, we're
and
gonna-
a watermelon.
we're going to
It was
be shooting
still rubber
pumpkins,
bands on it, and so we wanted to cut 'em
maybe
off,
clay
and
pigeons, you think?
so-
Clay pigeons?
Did we explain why we put rubber bands on it?
We wanted to do the rubber band thing to make it explode.
We think we have to shotgun
In
that?
the next
I'm sure we
video.
we're gonna get it out anyway to shoot slugs at the watermelon.
Well,
maybe
right,
not
So we
so
took it,
yours,
we
but
put it on its side, we
this
took
is
the
our
axe,
palette.
and he was just gonna tap it so that the rubber bands
Speaking
would
of
get
which,
cut.
that's what we're
He
gonna
didn't even
watch.
touch the watermelon. He maybe just clipped the watermelon or something.
No, we're
And
gonna
the
watch
pressure of the
Death
rubber
Metal
bands
Part
going
One
as well
on my
as
laptop,
the
which is right behind us.
just hitting the watermelon. It
We don't
split the
sponsor Dell,
watermelon
by the way.
like perfectly
I
in
don't. I
half.
personally
Yeah,
don't
it's
sponsor Dell.
And so
Yeah,
we
speak for
had
yourself.
the rubber bands go
I don't like
everywhere. The watermelon got split in half. And so he decided to take it out and he scooped it out. and
Samsung
ate the
Canon are
watermelon.
not laptop
And
brands.
he shot the hollow
Samsung
watermelon.
is.
I was convinced it wouldn't work as well as
It
a normal one.
is.
But if anything, it worked better than
Samsung did the.
Yeah.
a full
Sony's
watermelon
into
because I feel
laptops.
like just the air pressure
computer
when it
entertainment
got
only
shot or
does-
something, it
They
was
do technology,
greater and
but
it
don't
just
actually
blew
do any
up. It was
computers,
awesome.
Which is
That's
weird.
They
When you
should
shoot
do
a
like
watermelon,
computer
the
monitors,
area
I
smells
think.
like watermelon
They-
for
they make-
probably a day
They
or
make
a
TVs.
day or two.
They make
Because we
TVs
always
like
that's normally the last thing we'll do
PS3s,
when we're
so
up there. Is we
PlayStation
will.
systems,
Oh man,
PS4s.
shooting was the
They even make
best.
computer
Always.
monitors.
Oh, dude, we got those new guns now.
Built-in PlayStation.
That if you come up one time,
Anywho.
we shot one of those.
Anywho.
Anywhom.
I think I shot a watermelon with that. Those are the better
I
than
can't do
pumpkins.
that
That's a really bad Griswold.
I
Oh
can't.
yeah, we're.
Probably.
You can't do
Oh,
this
yeah,
for me.
we had a fire. We had s'mores. You
We
can't-
had a
you
fire.
can't do
We lit
this
the
food.
we lit the whole woods on fire. It was
Forest.
awesome.
Oh, yeah, it's a forest, not woods, Timmy. Get it right. Woods are different.
Moving on. So yeah, tomorrow we're going to be going back home. This has been a fairly good trip so
You're not
far.
going back home.
Yeah, you're gonna take the shotgun and
I'm gonna take him out back.
yeah. Shoot me like
I'll
a
give him
dog.
10 seconds to run.
Chop it all down.
With the shotgun. Run, Luke, run!
I'm
don't-
just
you-
like,
you
I'm
don't
getting,
look impressed.
I'm getting increasingly more worried. I'm like, because I didn't even know you that well, and I'm
Let's
like,
talk about this.
should I?
We'd known each
should-
other
We actually do
for
have a
Dude.
shotgun.
No, we have it.
yeah.
This is
Yeah.
actually
Remote-
Not even 2 years. It was just over.
remotely
about
close.
2
Under
years.
my pillow.
I just didn't know how to act around you and guns.
I can get to the machete before you can. Where even is it? Is it in the house?
Yeah, it's.
I have a knife in my bed. I don't know, it's sitting right there. It's not even in my bag.
Might be dead already.
Yeah. Just searching.
Normally it's on me, so I can quick grab it. And then I would. Normally I'm like, I'll have my knife out before you even reach for it, and then right now I'd been just a sec. Wait, don't kill me yet. Just give me a fair chance. I want 10 seconds, okay? You're just like, get the freaking knife.
Your laptop so we can watch Harry Potter.
Oh yeah, I brought my laptop to
Grab something and then throw it at them.
Right, yeah, just don't even open it up. Just pitch it at me.
No, you don't.
And it just like
It's
it
like
just misses
a piece
me.
of like plastic or something from
Why
my
are
pocket.
we
So you
just
know,
going
plastic
on
is
and
filled.
on?
Just
I
like
don't
a
know.
To end
wrapper.
the vlog.
It just
This
goes
is
like-
the last clip,
It's
he
like-
says.
just
10
goes, like,
minutes
straight
later,
down.
we end the
Yeah.
vlog.
Anywho, let's get back on the topic of recording. which
Get
is
back on topic. What topic?
Shay Raz Diop tent.
Shay.
Shays. Wait, no, that means Shay means home of.
Yeah.
So home of Raz Diop tent. Homo. Okay. So, anyways,
See.
we're going to bade.
Going to bed.
We're going to bed.
We're going Judger. You judge! I'm never hiring you to judge my court case again. No, please. No.
No, please.
Again with the patty cake.
Yeah!
That should have been where it ended.
That's
Right?
the outro. Goodbye, everybody. Good night.
Good night.
Radio.
Good night, everyone. See you in the morning.
All right, guys, that was it. That was episode 2. That was fun.
Yeah.
Good memories.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, comment down below, share with your friends.
There should be a peace button as well. There's a like button and then there's a peace button. That's what I would add. Goodbye.
You know what I'd add?
Not me.
Working ad revenue.
Yeah. Oh, shots fired. Bye.
I would add a YouTube that works. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Goodbye.
Here's a clip of me ironically clapping to try and sync
Three,
audio.
2, 1. Wait, we're going. No. We're gonna do this right this time.
Everybody clap our hands. There you go.
Okay, if that didn't get synced up, I don't know what will get it synced up. All right, guys, everyone, goodbye.